This 2025 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 199 MBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 8, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, water heater, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, awning, spare tire kit, external shower, skylight, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Feather Micro 199 MBS is 4,590 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.